Good morning, children. Today we'll begin with the new chapter, that is getting to know plants. Children, you all have studied in previous classes also that there are mainly three categories of plant, that is herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs are the small plants with green stem, green, thin and weak stems, and they are short in size. Whereas shrubs they have woody stem, thin and woody stem. It is strong and stronger than herbs, but they are smaller than trees. They are medium sized plants like rose plant. The third one is the trees. They have a big trunk, thick and big strong trunk, branches, roots, leaves, flower, fruits, etc. They bear all these things and they are quite larger in size. So these are the three categories of plants, but still two are left. The one is the creeper and the another is the climber. Some creeper plants like watermelon, they creep on the ground. Their stems are weak and they cannot climb up or stand erect. Whereas some are climbers like pea, you can see here. If they get support, they climb above the support, and they are the climber plants like pea and money plant. You might have seen these are the climbers. Now we come to the parts of a plant. Now children, you can see here the one part of the plant is under the ground and other part of the plant is above the ground. So the part that is under the ground is called root system, whereas the part that is above the ground is called shoot system. Root system bears the primary roots, that is the longest root and the deepest root, and the second is the secondary root that arises from the main root or primary root, that is called secondary root. These are the part of root system. Now we come to shoot system. Shoot system consists of stem that makes the plant to stand erect. Then it bears branches, it bears fruits, it bears flowers, it bears buds. So these are the different parts of the shoot system, that is stem, branches, leaves, flower, fruits, buds. All these are the parts of shoot system. Now we come to the root system. Root system, mainly roots are of two types. One is taproot and another is fibrous root. Here you can see it is having one main root from the base of a stem up to the deep into the soil. This center root is the main root, or we call it as primary root, where a root branches arise from the main root. This is taproot system. Now the second one you can see here, from the stem itself a large number of branch like structure arises in the soil, and it do not go much deeper in the soil. They are superficial and they don't have any primary root. They have number of roots and these are called as fibrous root. This type of root is found in grass or the seeds bearing monocot. The seeds that are monocot, they bear fibrous root, and the seeds that are dicot, they bear taproot system. Now function of root. All of you know the main function of root is fixation. Root is spread into the soil and fix the ground firmly so that plant stand erect on the ground. Now second is absorption. Absorption. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. The plant uses water and minerals to manufacture food and carry out life functions. Now the third is preventing soil erosion. These roots also help to prevent soil erosion because they bind the soil firmly, they hold the soil firmly and do not let wash away the top fertile soil from the ground. Now modifications of root. So children, two types of root you have studied, that is taproot and fibrous root. Now we come to modifications of root. Roots are modified in different forms, that is first is for storage of food like radish, carrot, sweet potato, all these are modified tap roots. They store their food in their roots which is edible for us or other organisms. Now second is it provides additional support like with prop roots. In banyan tree you might have seen, banyan tree में आपने देखा होगा कि ये रूट जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स उसमें से निकलते रहते हैं और ये जब ज़मीन को पकड़ते हैं तो वो एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट, बिकॉज बनियान ट्री तो बहुत बड़ा है तो ये एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं इस बनियान ट्री को. दीज आर कॉल्ड एज प्रॉप रूट्स. नाउ थर्ड, फिक्सेशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स जो होते हैं, जो बीन्स दाल के जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं उनके जड़ों में ये गांठ जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड नोड्यूल्स. इनके अंदर राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया होता है और वो एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को सॉल्युबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके और अवेलेबल कराता है प्लांट को, जिससे कि प्लांट कैन टेक नाइट्रोजनस कैन एब्जॉर्ब सॉल्युबल नाइट्रोजन फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. सो राइजोबियम हेल्प टू प्रोवाइड नाइट्रोजन टू द प्लांट एंड इन रिटर्न द नोड्यूल्स ऑफ द रूट्स प्रोवाइड शेल्टर टू राइजोबियम plant. This type of mutual understanding is called symbiotic system. Now next is breathing root. Some places where there is very damp soil and the soil do not contain air in it, it is very muddy, no air space is there for the roots to get oxygen. So roots arise out of that swampy soil to intake oxygen to breathe for the plant. These are the mangrove plants and these roots are called the breathing roots. They are also called nematophores. These roots are also named as nematophores. Now the fifth modification of root is obtaining nutrition. To obtain nutrition, like in some plants like dodder, that is it is parasitic plants. Specialized parasitic roots arise from the stem. ये स्टेम में से इस तरह की रूट अराइज होती हैं और होस्ट प्लांट के अंदर अपने को पेनिट्रेट कर लेती हैं टू एब्जॉर्ब वाटर एंड फूड फ्रॉम द होस्ट प्लांट. सो चिल्ड्रेन, now today you have studied about the modification of root, that is for storage of food like radish and carrot, and to give additional support, that is called prop roots, which give additional support to banyan tree. For fixation of nitrogen, where rhizobium bacteria used to live in leguminous plants, it is also a modified root. Now next is the breathing root in mangrove trees, where they grow in marshy areas where the water or marshy place does not contain much air for the plant to breathe. And the fifth one is to obtain nutrition in parasitic plants. Roots grow from the stem and penetrate into the host plant to get nutrition. Okay children, today only this much.